between you and me, you look like a person that likes tulips. And we got a fair bit of them coming up later in the show.
There you go. And welcome to the Araluen Botanic Garden Tulip Festival. We're going to take a walk around and show you what it's about. It's probably not as good as in person, but we'll have a look anyway.
So today we had two goals. One was to showcase the beautiful botanic garden that is Araluen and its Tulip Festival. The other one was to wear out my daughter Lily. She's, you know, you got to run up hills. Anyway, it was a beautiful day out. Lots to do for the family. There was orange flowers. There was a selfie bridge.
Yeah. So everyone's here for the tulips, which are naturally beautiful, looking beautiful as always. But they missed out on this giant rose bush, and it's bloody huge. I'm just gonna bloody grab the camera. One sec. Let check this out. Look at Eddie. Look at this. It's just one single rose. Look how big the rose bush is. It's huge. And if you're not into the tulips, just come here and check out people just getting selfies. Everyone's loving the tulips. It's a bloody lovely day out. And that's just my child having a bit of a coughing fit behind me. But oh, look at that. Oh.
One thing I love about the Araluen Tulip Festival is it's got ducks, and it's also got a lot of planning involved. There's different colours that mix together. There's this bloke standing on a bridge.
Now, this has nothing to do with tulips at all, but it just felt like a bit of a, you know, when they walk and they talk in the gardening episodes, I just thought this is the perfect opportunity for that, because there's water, and there's a bit of gardening. So, yeah.
Now, you know me, I love a bit of tulips, but the wildflowers around Araluen are something to look at in themselves. The Kangaroo Pool hiding around the corner in between the tulips. Make sure you keep an eye out.
There's also these great spots to just let the pram go and let them have a full roller coaster experience. So I hope you enjoyed today's tour of the Araluen Botanic Tulip Festival, and I'll see you next time.